If you start a YouTube channel in 2025, don't make the mistake of choosing the wrong niche. Most people waste months, even years, making content no one is searching for. But what if I told you there are 5 powerful niches that are exploding right now, and still wide open for new creators? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 best YouTube niches for 2025. These are perfect if you want to grow fast, earn money, and build something real. No fluff, no guessing. Let's go straight to the facts. Section 1. The rise of AI channels. Niche number 1. AI tools and automation. What it's about. Creating videos about AI tools, tutorials, comparisons, and how everyday people can use AI to work faster or earn money. Examples. Best free AI tools in 2025. How I used AI to start a side hustle. AI tools that will replace jobs. Why it works. AI is not a trend, it's the future. People are hungry for this content, and there's still room for smaller creators who simplify it for beginners. Growth tip. Focus on one use case. AI for students, AI for creators, or AI for business owners. Section 2. Faceless finance. Niche number 2. Personal finance. Faceless. What it's about. Creating animated or slideshow-style videos about saving money, investing, side hustles, and financial literacy without showing your face. Examples. 7 passive income ideas you can start at 17. How I saved $10,000 in 6 months. Best apps to manage your money. Why it works. Finance content has high CPM, ads pay more, and if you package it visually with storytelling, you don't even need to appear on camera. Growth tip. Use free animation tools like Canva or CapCut for visuals and AI voiceovers for narration. Section 3. Digital skills education. Niche number 3. Learn digital skills. What it's about. Teaching people how to use tools like Photoshop, CapCut, coding, Excel, Notion, ChatGPT, and more. Examples. How to use Canva for beginners, 2025 guide. CapCut tricks you didn't know about. Learn Excel in 10 minutes. Why it works. Millions want to learn these skills for work, freelancing, or school. If you explain clearly, you'll build an audience fast. Growth tip. Break tutorials into bite-sized episodes, part 1, part 2, and use chapters, timestamps. Section 4. Niche entertainment. Niche number 4. Micro-niche entertainment. What it's about. Focusing on specific communities like anime edits, horror stories, chess drama, or nostalgic cartoons. Pick one theme and build a vibe.